Welcome, today in front of me Motorola Moto E22 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first let's open Play Store app, and in the search bar we should enter green Apple keyboard. Now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing. Then click to open the app, tap enabling settings, and near green Apple keyboard, tap once on the switcher and tap twice to OK. After that, go back, click to switch input methods and switch your keyboard to green Apple keyboard. Now we can see that the keyboard set successfully. So let's use the app search to see the new look of our keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of the emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.